Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix no unread messages but badge shows a number on Android. If you have no unread messages but your app is showing a badge number on your Android phone, so let's see how can you do it. You can do the same method for all apps. You just have to keep a long press on app and then select info icon, and here you just have to select notifications. Just tap on it, and here you can see here's the badge option. You just have to tap on it to disable it. As you have disabled it, so now go back, and here you can see there's no any badge option of unread messages. So that's how you can clear badge of unread messages from many apps. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.